Hello everybody, welcome to this month's edition of XMD's Tips and Tricks. I'm Rick Evans and I'll be your host for today. We're going to finish up the standard mold base that we started a couple of months ago, and you're going to see 4 videos this month. So let's get started here. The first thing I'm going to do is put some slide gibs in to hold these slides down. And you could create just solid blocks using Key Creator, but in this case I'm going to use XMD plates, and using the external plate command I'll just enter the necessary information in the dialog box, and I'm just going to pick 2 points in a position to place it. So the gib is just going to sit at the edge of the lip there, and I put a construction line up here to allow myself to select the corner. Now XMD is asking me for a position. I'll just zoom up and pick the top of the lip of the slide, and we'll have this guy go out of the view, out of the pocket, toward the molding face, and my slide gib is placed. Now we'll go look at it individually. And there it is there, and it is a solid block created with XMD's Plate Creator. One thing I'm going to do, I put a chamfer in the corner instead of a radius. I'll just go to the dialog box, change the chamfer to a radius, and it's updated. Okay, so now I'm just going to turn on the gib and the slide. And ensure that it is placed correctly. And I'm going to add some screws. I'll add some 5/16 screws. I'll pick the top face of the gib and the bottom face. And I'll place it dimensionally. XMD is asking right there where the tapped hole is going to be, and I'm selecting the core. Okay, so there's my first screw placed. I'm going to mirror this one to create the second location. I'm going to use a really neat command called copy to midpoints, and copy that screw to the center of those 2 screws. And there you go. I think 3 screws should be enough to hold down that little gib. So now XMD has this command where you can combine different components into an assembly. So as I'm picking the screws and the slide gib, that will act as one component now. Just to reiterate, the screws are automatically placed in the slide gib, and the tapped holes and the pilot holes are automatically placed in the core block. So a lot of work is done just by picking 2 faces and placement. So quickly on to what's going on here. We're mirroring into 4 different quadrants. XMD is prompting me for the name of the new component. And in a second now you will see 4 slide gibs pop up on the screen. And there they are, complete with holes, ready for manufacture. Core block is updated with all the necessary holes as well. And there's my second slide. And that's going to lead us into the next video after a couple cosmetic changes here. That's it for now. Any questions, please feel free to email me. The splash screen is going to be coming up here in a second. I'm just going to update this view, save it quickly. And there we have it. As I said, any questions, please feel free to email me at ricky@coreintsoft.com. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.